You're listening to the Pro 97 from Radio Shack Police Scanner, Galveston County, Texas, on New Year's Eve.
Above 250, over 170, still shaking. He's got AFib RVR with some PVCs in there. Not seeing any ST elevation. Trying to clean it up. I sent you a couple. Current pressure is 189 over 84. Heart rate's about 140. That 96% on those two. Heart rate's anywhere from 110 to 140. He's got chest pain. He's had 324 aspirin. 2 squirts of nitro. No relief. Get a better 12. I'll send it to you. And we're going to be about 20 out. We're coming from the west end.
Medic 4, can you repeat the patient's age? You're coming in kind of fuzzy.
It's going to be a small red Jeep.
Yep. See you in about 20.
Clear, if I can get a good 12, I'll show you a second.
Medic 4, repeat.
If I can get you a better 12 lead, I'll send it to you.
That's clear.
Clear and during the blood make away.
Alright, no warrant. Got it. 42. Good. Triangle first name, Theophila, Tom, Ida, Ocean, Frank, Ida, Lincoln, Adam.
Take right now. Testing.
11-9.
Top 42. Good. 1109 First Street North. 1109 First Street North.
Citizen 15 will have one subject in custody. 21, building secure. B-10-8, ABF.
Periodic check.
2122, 545 Grand Avenue on suspicious circumstance.
Temple, and rock.
Commit tonight. She advised she knew the homeowner and that she knew the homeowner did not have any renters there at the time. She lived at 1941 Waterford Way.
Alright, I'm out waiting on you.
Go ahead and contact General Control.
Avenue J. Go ahead.
2418-7686. 2418-7686. Should be her return to each of that minute.
Nobody out here.
That's clear, thank you.
Control FIH, 2 looking for South Base 3, 2+01, 270, 308.
308.
2 plus 0 1 270 308. 2 plus 0 1 270 308. 2 plus 0 1 270 308. 2 plus 0 1 270 308. 2 plus 0 1 270 308. 2 plus 0 1 270 308. 2 plus 0 1 270 308. 2 plus 0 1 270 308. 2 plus 0 1 270 308. 2 plus 0 1 270 308. 2 plus 0 1 270 308. 2 plus 0 1 270 308. 2 plus 0 1 270 308. 2 plus 0 1 270 308. 2 plus 0 1 270 308. 2 plus 0 1 270 308. 2 plus 0 1 270 308. 2 plus 0 1 270 308. 2 plus 0 1 270 308. 2 plus 0 1 270 308. 2 plus 0 1 270 308. 2 plus 0 1 270 308. 2 plus 0 1 270 308. 2 plus 0 1 270 308.
48, 2039.
2039.
Copy, shots fired, 1232 Hunter Drive.
2039, show me on scene, it's fireworks.
One safe traffic. Medic force service. Medic for clear post pursuit. Possibility.
Go ahead.
Male station vehicle target parking lot. Happy New Year.
Yeah, we're having it.
I began the call, shots fired in the area of Main and 45. I heard them. I'll check on them after. Give it a few minutes. Two females, 2 males on board. Beginning mileage 551. Watch for runners. Clear, I'm in the area. Medic 2. Medic 2. 33, 1 patient, Bayshore. Sorry, Bayshore. 95, 1 time. No.
Or I'm gonna walk behind you, it's gonna be on the south line over here.
Awesome, 10-8 in aisle.
Top 78. Nigga, you cut yourself off. Go ahead.
Several gunshots coming from down the end of the roadway.
29, receive that traffic.
Did you want to get 10-9?
Action.
Clear.
Clear.
What's the address on it?
They're at 1944 Waterford Way.
600 station, go ahead, right here in Main and call any count, please. On 508 and happy 2015 for all.
61931.
That's clear.
Eric, I'm coming up 12th Street now. What we got?
At 12th and Hunter, we had some fireworks. As we pulled up down the street, we had about 5 to 10 gunshots.
Okay.
Actually, I want to show you out 40 here on a block at East City Parkway. In the alley, over about 14th Street.
270, copy you. Noise complaint.
Control 36 on noise.
Report apartment standby for a bag.
noise, 2502 West Marina Bay Drive, the Signature Point Apartments. You report you believe you heard a gunshot coming from the apartment above, 1511.
Clear.
Hold is at 1182 23rd Street, 1182 23rd Street. She's stating she hears shotguns going off all around her. She is now laying on the floor in her bedroom because she is scared.
12, I'm en route. Also, probably gonna be fireworks.
Say, welcome to Texas on New Year's, Lou.
This is Sam Truffaut.
Maybe careful, I didn't put it out, but 21st, 5th Avenue, Rapid AR-15 was shooting off from there to go. Took me a minute to get over there.
Okay. Make contact with the people at the dog. It's in there. We just done animal control this way. I'm gonna go 10-8, so I'm available.
That's clear. We still haven't been able to make contact with on-call animals themselves.
Booster 1, Engine 2. Response at 2700 block of Butler Road for a grass fire.
You can discard, go ahead. Yeah, boy, headquarters, clear up that call, we'll be in about 496.
Simple.
That's clear.
I'm in the area. I don't hear any music.
I'm down in that area if you need my assistance.
Appreciate it. We'll yell at you if we do.
Simple.
There's nothing here. Residence, is there anything there? Double check your address.
Clear.
He did see no one inside the house. It was a corner house. They put the lights out and ran inside.
Hey, have y'all made it back to your cars yet? 10-4, we're at the car. 17 at 33, I'm right here, 2300 block of Main.
Come on, 120. Y'all go ahead and secure y'all's units, and we'll just stay in the area. But y'all just be sitting in the road with it.
That is clear.
3733 Mount Vernon, 13733. There's still going on.
That's clear.
Call 62, call 54, just advise we need more units.
Clear, Roger, clear.
That's it. Center 62, Zimmer.
Clear.
Copy fireworks.
There's several over here in the area, Lauren.
It's going to be at 1506 FM 517, Torrey Pines apartment. It's going to be to the back of the apartment.
Clear, man. Clear. George 202.
14-1,
Timpson locate.
Clear.
Clear.
Golf 27 over habitation holding 551 8th Street.
22, I'm clear.
You may clear you from Grand Avenue.
10-4 Gals, I thought it updated.
6-8. Price was given at this address. I'll be relocating to a house across the street. Get you the number in a second. This address, they are shutting it down.
6-12. What's up in 31 on air check? I'll W.
We'll be clear. Happy New Year.
That's clear. Myself and 31 on air check.
Go ahead, Chris Beach.
Brush one out on scene. Brush one to engine one. Come on. Roger that. We're leaving right. Bolivar engine one to Crystal Beach. We can roll that way. I'm still in the area of Harbor Glen.
Southwest check.
11:35, Lake City. Good. On the fireworks call, where they can't give us a specific location of where they're coming from, at least a block. We're not going to run those. There's a couple out there you can kill right now.
Studio Cell, apartment 1002. Back.
41, clear, copy, shot fired. Good. It's going to be a 2318 Rosalie, 2318 Rosalie. Caller advisor is going to be a subject outside, screaming and shooting a gun in the air. 360 Fairmont, between Nation and the Space Center, offering on part 2. District alarm assignment, vehicle fired at apartment complex, 6060 Fairmont. It's going to be at the park at Fairmont. Operating on fire 2 is going to be at the south end of the building near number 14. Time of alarm, midnight 13.
We're showing clear, clear tail.
1066, good.
Okay, holding any loud music. We're playing at 506 from Boston.
That's clear. I'll be in route momentarily. 24 Fairmont, we got one, sir. 10-4, caller was a female. She said there's a male subject outside shooting again.
Right now, where I'm at, it looks to be in a backyard.
Go ahead. Corto, C-O-U-R-T-E-A-U, Charles Ocean Union, Roger Tom from Union. First is David, 9-2 of 97, 9-2 of 97.
Clear cars about me is on the street behind her, Ezra.
Yeah, they're most likely going to be 9th Street right there where the trailer park is. Looks like I saw a party there earlier.
Careful.
6 AM 31, you can go ahead and show me back in UTL. Anything else, Holden? So VP and down, check here. I'm available.
Clip. Mitchell 5900.
Looked like there was quite a number of people out there earlier.
Go ahead.
We'll be en route to that family disturbance. If there's anything to it, request them to be primary.
Okay.
66, go ahead.
Any loud noise complaint has turned into a city ordinance violation.
That's good.
Hey, y'all can disregard. We're fixing to be on scene. I think 2054 said it's 10-4 clear. Appreciate it.
It's looking at a light switch for you.
That one. Had a shot fired, 301 Newman Road. 301 Newman Road. It's going to be about 9 shots fired in the apartment complex.
That's good. Show me another vehicle.
47 en route to back 42.
4117. This female's possibly high on PCP. We dealt with her a couple days ago.
Clear.
D-Boy at 101.
I'm in route to 18th Avenue North. Can you 10-9 the physical address?
Clear for report. Tell me a South Avenue complex near building 14.
Copy. Marlboro Road 2 to Marlboro Engine 1.
Inspector. Sebastian, Hunter, Alexis, Sam.
Anything on fire? Let me check in.
And Ben, Inspector.
2 Paul 11, it's going to be Boy Young 08144, Boy Young 08144. Damage Bank on Oklahoma, 146. Big City to 1135.
49, be advised, it is a fire that's contained in a fire pit, just a regular backyard fire.
Say again. Tommy Valdez.
698, you are clear to pass us. We're checking back in. What you got for 12?
36 is going to be the disturbance 2124 Eastland Street, verbal only. We'll send intoxicated mail.
Left side 6, heavy on scene.
Flower call.
Come on.
Good.
News en route to RJ's, 5201 I-45. Caller advisor there's going to be about 20 people fighting in the bar.
In or out? OJ, 65. Where'd they advise the fireworks are coming from?
Highway
Highway 146, back to call 11. He advised Dickinson dispatch that he was out on some type of disturbance there.
Okay, the imaging on 146?
That disturbance. Also, caller advised he's unsure if there are any weapons involved.
47, I'm back in from 301 Newman. It's all gated up. I didn't see any pedestrians outside. I'll be en route to RJ's.
Flight 6 pilot.
556 here, go ahead.
Fire department's wanting to know if we can relocate about 2 blocks over 1409.
That's affirmative, as long as you got an LZ over there.
Roger that, they said it's set up.
1102 Fire Department. Respond to 5213 Winding Brook for a structure fire. 5213 Winding Brook Drive for a structure fire. All people are out of the house.
Copy 2.
Go ahead. Just be advised, I can hear the male arguing in the background. He didn't advise if he gets arrested, he will fight the police next.
1019 to 5213 Winding Brook in reference to a house fire.
1401, I'm en route to.
That's fair.
1401, across street, my computer left it. 516, I'm pulling to RJ's. This is the closest unit. I'm not gonna go in. Well, there. 47, I'm crossing the bridge right now. Background 1. Closer to the scene. Here at the vicinity of Papa 223.
Left 6 heavy relocating.
Out. Clear. Alright, everybody on area attack 1, separation 2.
2 call 11, Houston 9, at 1 time.
Charlestown, Mary 2199, Chevrolet 2007 Chevrolet. B-Boy 105. Now there are some fireworks off in the distance, but nothing close by.
The fireworks in the area, 51st and 52nd Avenue.
The 927 Go ahead and put me on the call for Winding Brook 2 and put my second call on hold. Who called this in? Clerk to the front desk, so I know nothing about a disturbance. Senator said that it was more of a push match and all the parties are gone. 11:35.
Be taking a call holding 3215 DNF. Works. Stepping out in a second. Of us.
32 St. Travis.
Exit 15 and 17. Between exit 15 and 17.
Let's get it.
Young, 316 and 81.
White male, and if you can verify it's the 144, and I'm going to be out on another loud meeting, somewhere out here.
Clear.
Fireworks call.
1066 nothing found name and address.
That's clear, thank you. Air 66, I'll be stepping out at 147 now.
That's clear.
1401 incoming units. We had a fire on the exterior patio in the rear. Got significant damage. Most of the fire is knocked down, but I've got smoke coming out of the attic. That's pretty good.
Engine 56 received.
Larry, best send your first crew up into the attic.
Clear. What do you want? Be back in AOB. I'm gonna give subject time to sober up. So send me when you need me. It's an hour out.
Just clear. 10.
Holding on Crockett. 542, that's clear. Also, a shots fired call. It's going to be on Muriel and Martin Luther King. 10-4, show me around.
32, I'll be en route to back 42.
32, clear. A group on the Stewart Beach Pavilion, shooting fireworks. Any unit close?
Make his location. You have to come in through his back door.
O2. Careful.
517, what's the caller's name? Caller's going to be a Keith Oates. 10-4, 17 to 33. I'm not going to make that location. If you need a camera, I'll give it to you at the end of the street. That's that for 2064 check.
Coming to the front door.
6.
Go ahead.
You can show me on scene.
Okay, what was the circle stairs? We're in the room.
On Houston Drive that we're shooting off fireworks. Simple. En route. 62's in with a crew of 3.
Clear.
What's your 20? 45, Jose. That's clear. I'm waiting at Westward and Rose. Pass all that equipment.
Go ahead.
Randy, can you send me a message, please?
Clear.
1194, can you run Richard Witt, William Henry, Ida, Tom? Check for 1 1-08. Check up.
His number is going to be 15-01.
That's clear. 2025 is the unit to check 41st Street. Can you go to 3 for me?
Medic for your priority 1, 306 Jackson. 306 Jackson. It's going to be a house across the main in Jackson. 46-year-old female has an infection and breathing problems.
What's going to be our best way to enter? Copy code 20. Group, you get any calls? That's for as soon as they want me to call it. Clear?
Clear for a wife and female. Last name Wiggins, William, Ida, George, Ida, Nora, Sam, first name Jordan, John, Ocean, Robert, David, Adam, Nora, wife, female, 11587, 11587.
There are the notes for 10 as well. Jet, you're not charging jet.
That's clear.
Stand up here to push this if we need to.
Receive. We got hot embers up in the breezeway on the outside. We're pulling it down and getting that. We get them to bring you a fan in.
That's clear. We'll come down out of here and we'll get working on that fan since y'all are doing that.
Your first subject, clear current, no one. Go with your second.
Clear. Last name, I can't pronounce it. George, Adam, Sam, Ida, Edward, William, Ida, Charles, Zebra. First name Elizabeth, Lincoln, Ida, Zebra, Adam, Boy, Edward, Tom, Henry, white female, 12783, 12783. Okay, the fan's coming to you. Test it.
What do you want the fan around the back?
No, he needs that electric fan upstairs.
Spoke with a parent on scene. They were all minors. 400 is confiscated the fireworks. I'll be 10-8. 1966, you can clear that call out, SAS. Shaw units 9.
1970, 971 today.
Go ahead.
She's clear current, no one.
Clear. Log in a disturbance call at Cabo. We're secure.
Correct, we don't have any calls holding now.
That's it.
Clear, thank you guys.
William John Robert 686. We're at Ferry Road and Seawall.
Ferry Road, Seawall, 10-4. 1979, check your Walker. That's clear. 2065, confirm the LP, I'm not getting a return.
Go.
Robert, 686.
William John Robert 686, Louisiana plate.
four-door sedan, tan in color, occupied at least once, with no descriptors of the driver, is parked right in front of the front door.
That's clear. Good.
Alright, must be able to clear it up. I'll be in and out of it in just a second. I'm checking out his photograph first.
Thank you, go ahead.
That's for 97.
George, North Nile, yeah.
Or 1971. Alarm drop 3023 Avenue 2, 3023 Avenue 2. Can you come to the lane reference from Argo Motion Detector ATL
1970 or shoot. 501 Breed, traffic.
Clear. Can you bring the thermal up?
That's clear. I got it in my hand. Where do you want me?
Come to the rear of the structure.
Yes. Right down our nose.
60 grams, small gravel's ride, copy the plate.
Good.
Charles William 8, David 144, Charles William 8, David 144. What about him?
26 front end. You want to give me your public service and I'll give him a call?
Yes, sir. Yeah. 832-226-2891. 832-226-2891.
Okay, you've been watching Let's See It Please. You've been listening to the what is this thing? Wow. Anyway, forget what the hell this is. Anyway, it's a police scanner. And you've been listening to the Galveston County area. That includes Tech City, Dickinson, Lamarck, Hitchcock, Santa Fe, League City. Anyways, you've been listening. Okay, it's a Pro 97. Pro 97. We're almost out of space on this memory card, so thanks for watching. And this is New Year's Eve. We started the video about 5 minutes of 12, and it's been running since then. And it's around 12:41 right now. Alright, Happy New Year's, everybody. Let's see it, please.